How to never work again in your life. Welcome back to another career chat with Banji. Many professionals struggle because they have chosen and tied themselves to the wrong jobs. I recently received an email from a reader about my career journey. He wanted to understand my career trajectory and how my background influenced my career decision. My LinkedIn profile shows that I have a bachelor's degree in biochemistry and a master's degree in public health and health services management, yet I work within the data space. The question is not unexpected. I get similar questions a lot. Ideally, you expect me to be a biochemist, public health officer, or something related, but that's not the case. I have never really enjoyed working in the laboratory mixing reagents. Your degree does not define you. Why? The rules of work have changed. No longer are we confined to work in areas of our academics or discipline. I remember over 20 years ago when professionals traditionally looked for work in areas they had studied. This holds no longer because society has changed drastically since then and is still changing. Technology has made all these possible. No doubt, technology has made many things possible. Imagine how much the world has been transformed since the .com. New fields have emerged because of technology. Think big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence, social media manager, influencer, and the like. The internet has brought freedom. The internet is so abundant that individuals are no longer kept in the dark. All they need is access to the internet, and they will get whatever information they need. They can Google their life out and decide what's fit or not fit for them. With technology, you can learn at your own pace. You can learn anything you want and become whoever you want to be. The technological restrictions are over. People are no longer confined to the traditional career routes. Professionals are no longer limited to their specific career paths. They now understand that all they need as a prerequisite is the ability to communicate and be proficient in a professional language. You can do the impossible with your ability to communicate and think creatively. They can connect with individuals, access the information they need, and get ahead in their careers. The world rewards the loyal and hardworking, so do not be confined to the traditional routes. The future of work has changed. Be whoever you want to be. You can try before you fully dive in. With the abundance of technology, many fields have opened. For example, think social media managers, brand influencers, AI specialists, bloggers, and many other fields introduced through technology. You can choose from many career paths before determining which one is right for you. Internships and volunteer opportunities have made it possible to try your hands on as many things as you want before you choose your fit. And if one doesn't seem right for you, you switch. Easy. You are not locked in. You try something else. There is no right or wrong career. The career you want is the one you decide on. Final summary. Your background or degree does not define you. Thanks to the new world we live in, technology has made many things possible and liberated many careers and fields. Before wandering around using your degree to find work, ask yourself what you want and what makes you happy. What activity do you engage in that makes time move fast? What career would you choose to do, even if it's unpaid? Once you have this information, channel your energy into finding work around this area, and you will never have to work again for the rest of your life. See you next time. Bye.